Resource availability is one of the few metrics to tell you if your project will be successful before it even begins. However, do you actually know who is available for how much time and when? In this video, we will dive into the importance of understanding your resources availability and how it impacts the health of your organization. I'm Samantha Varner, Director of Customer Success with Tempest Resource, where I work with hundreds of customers around the world on topics just like this one. When I say resource availability, I am talking about the people and roles on your team and the literal time they have available to work on a project in a given week, month, quarter, or year. In order to know how available someone is, you need to understand their capacity and how much time they are planned to be on a project, a practice known as resource management. Without having this information accessible, you cannot confidently say that this person can work on this project, and it is those projects that make the business successful. It has become all too common that organizations expect projects to be completed on time and in budget, but they don't even know not only who, but if their resources can take on the work. All in all, understanding your resource availability will allow you to move faster, be more strategic, continue to grow, and drive more revenue. If you're interested in learning more about resource management, we have a lot of videos on our YouTube. You can check this one out. If you found today's topic helpful, give us a like.